This is Paravangadi Ganapati Temple, and today is Singam first, and we came every year this day, and we start the day visiting temple every year, and this is my family. That's it. I wish everyone a happy new year and a good life ahead.
It's a very auspicious day for every Malayalis, August Chingam first. As our festivals are coming near, as Onam and all, I wish every Malayalis all over the world a happy Onam.
Today is Chingaman, a start of a new year, especially for the Kerala. We all come here to celebrate here at Paravangadi Ganapati Temple. Here, we all come here with colored dresses to celebrate a very good festival called Onam. Today is a very good day. Let us all pray for everyone's well-being and for ourselves.